My name is Kim Sapat Kong. I am the founder and CEO of Making It Easy Co. Ltd. Making It Easy is the first company to provide one-stop services for foreigners doing business in Cambodia. Currently, we have 4 key services. The first one is business startup and maintenance. The second one is corporate tax. The third one is office space. And the last one is relocation support and Khmer language.
Regarding business startup and maintenance, we provide you business compliance consultancy, business registration, patent and VAT registration, trademark and license registration, business update and more. Plus, we provide corporate taxation service including military return, annual return, and more.
Regarding office space, we provide various options for small businesses, especially SMEs. Our office space option range from 1 seat for single business owner to 10 seats for medium businesses. We have virtual office for business registration, block rooms, and private rooms. All rooms are fully furnished with desks, chairs, and lockers. High-speed Wi-Fi is available for free. Just bring your laptop and start working.
Regarding relocation support, we provide services for foreigners' work permit, e-business visa applications and extensions, personal bank account registrations, and more services for foreigners in Cambodia.
Regarding Khmer language services, we provide Khmer language courses ranging from beginners to advanced classes. We also provide English Khmer translation, proofreading and editing, interpretation, transcription, and more.
For further information, please feel free to contact us for a quick Q&A, or you may visit our website at www.makingiteasycambodia.com. សូមអរគុណ
Making it easy, making Cambodia easy.